Hey guys, I'm back again with another loyalty test for the world to see what is going on in the world. But before I start this loyalty test, I want everyone to subscribe. You understand? Big up all of my subscribers. God bless you all. Okay? Yes. We're going to get right into it right now because you have a lot of cheaters in the world. Will his girlfriend cheat on him with a rapper? Hey, hey, will she cheat? Let's see.
So we can go upstairs. The team and shit is upstairs. We're going to go ahead and break down everything we need to break down to you.
Today we're helping Key place his girlfriend Ashley to a loyalty test.
So did you actually try to engage and actually have that conversation with her?
Really haven't, bro. I don't like to argue, you know what I'm saying? I know where it can
Bro,
go.
why is someone
Today-
like that, bro? I don't like to argue, bro. I don't like. Bro, like these guys is not fighting you, bro. They literally asking you a question, guy.
Decoy Enzo will be pretending to be rich. Well, he's actually really rich. He's actually a rapper out of Houston, Texas. And today he will be pretending this is his house and asking Ashley on a date.
This is where we at, y'all. This is where we
I'll
at.
tell you now, bro. We can't never go outside, bro. So we gonna find out the real.
For sure.
Let that be that, my nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Your feelings about the situation is valid, so it ain't even up to me to determine whether, you know what I'm saying, you wrong for doing a test or not. Because it's how you feel.
Will Ashley remain loyal to her boyfriend or will she agree to go on a date with our rich and successful rap artist, Enzo? Let's find out now on Jack TV.
Bro, why can't a poor guy do this test and let the female fail or the men fail with a poor girl? You understand? Like, bro, what y'all want with this money, bro? Like, money just make you just fail, bro. Bro, this shit is just vanity, bro. Just, yo, some of these females and some of these men just love sweets, love too much sugar. They don't want to work. They want fast life.
Key came to us and wanted to put his girlfriend to the loyalty test because as of late, he's been having a hard time providing. And as a result of that, Ashley has been giving him the cold shoulder.
And me and my girl been together for like 5 years now, man. And,
5 years, bro, that
Everything was
tick-
good and all, up until, you know what I'm saying, I made this investment with this hookah lounge.
Right.
And, you know, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I thought everything was gonna pop off like instantly type shit, but then I realized, you know what I'm saying, shit like that take a minute, you know what I mean? But ever since, you know what I'm saying, I've been losing money here, losing money there, it's like she started acting kind of like distant, you know what I'm saying? Like I be trying to spend time with her and she just be
Red
like, oh,
flag.
she too busy or she too tired or she don't feel like it type shit, you know what I'm saying?
Red
and then
flag.
like there's times I'll walk into the room and then like she'll get jumpy with her phone, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna lie, we men. I done did my fair share of cheating before her, you know what I'm saying? So I know how women is, you feel me? Like I know how it go, you know what I'm saying? So she put her phone down and then like she'll turn it off when it's time to go to bed type shit. And like she type of person, like she keep her ringer on all day. Then all of a sudden, you know what I'm saying, that much just become like straight solid.
Red
You
up.
know what I mean? I was
Red
like, yo, you know
flag.
what I'm saying? I look over and she just,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? And like my thing is, bro, like, you here for me or you here for the bread? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I need somebody gonna ride for me. You know what I'm saying? Gonna be ups and downs all the time, and I'm building this for us. You know what I'm saying? She wanna have kids eventually, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not about to bring no kids in and we ain't got the bread for it, you feel me? So really, I'm just trying to see what's up, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm hoping she not cheating. I swear I hope she not. But if she is, then we gotta part ways or something, you feel me? Like, I would say I wanted to work, but like from that point on, bro, can I really trust you?
In order to execute this test, we had to get Ashley to this house. We rented out this Airbnb to pretend that this is where Enzo lives. We did so by telling Key to tell her she could possibly land the leading role for a rapper music video that could possibly make her some good money. And all she needed was to interview for the role. If you don't know Enzo, Enzo's a popular artist out of Houston, Texas and have worked with many artists you may listen to, such as Young Blue, Lil Baby, Megan Thee Stallion, and even Sauce Walker.
Get everything that you talking. I bought stuff and my niggas got awkward. Even family members getting salty.
Big Enzo, TSF Business Man, Sauce Walker, I seen this
It
young.
seems like I have to react to some of these guys' lyrics too, you understand? Some of his song, you understand? Yo!
You know what I'm talking about? Come to from a young nigga to a big homie in the city with big money on you little dummies. You know what I'm talking about?
This house was pretty expensive for one night. Luckily, I used Cash Kick on the side to earn
See, then now, guys, subscribe, you understand? And big up on yourself right now. Do not wait till tomorrow. Big up yourself now.
Dang, bro, this the crib you running out for the test?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't gonna lie, this joint crazy. What?
Yeah.
How much they charge you a night?
It's like $1,800 a month, bro. But look, you can easily be making money like using Cash Kick. It's a platform that basically help you make bread.
For real?
Yeah. All you gotta do, you can literally be sitting at home while you ain't doing nothing, making bread from your phone. So I basically take that money that I make from them and I reinvest it into my videos by getting these Airbnbs.
So what I gotta do?
All you gotta do is really go to one of my videos, click the link in the description, or scan the QR code that I be having on the screen. It's gonna ask you to sign up with your email and password, and literally
Guys,
that's it,
sign
bro.
up,
That's it?
Yeah.
Just email and
subscribe.
password?
Yeah, then you
this
start earning
channel
money.
right
But the amount
now.
of money that you can make varies per game, so you gotta like find the ones that you know you can get the most from.
So
Yeah.
choose, pick and choose on one.
Yeah. So y'all, if y'all wanna make easy money, all you gotta do is click the link in my description or scan the QR code above, bro. Start making easy money today. You're not doing anything anyway. You always on your phone.
Sign up for Cash Kick today.
What's good, bro?
What's up, man? Either Dominique,
This
man.
is Key, Enzo Key.
Nice to meet you.
Enzo will be playing decoy for the test today. This is the part where you go ahead and go over the things that you don't want him to do. How far can he go, and what's his limits within your girl?
I mean, bro, I wanna test her, bro. Do you? I don't have no limits, bro.
Yeah.
I want to see how loyal she is.
Nah, that shit really be like, you feel disloyalty in the air, so you
Yeah.
wanna just see what's up.
That's all, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because I do plan on marrying her, do plan on starting a family and everything, but what man want a woman who want him just for his bread?
I'm tell you now, bro, we can't never go outside, bro, so we gonna find out the
Right,
real.
for sure.
Let that be that, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? And on top of that, you know, I'm always down to expose the real, bro.
So at this point, we got the cameras in place. Everything is set up. All we're waiting on is Ashley to arrive so we can actually conduct this test.
Bro, look, it came through.
I told you when it came through.
By like 3-4 hours, bro.
That's crazy.
Hey, yes, sir.
Look, fool, I got
Appreciate
this
that, bro.
working.
Yes, sir. See, man, look, man, check me out, bro.
Click the link in my description or scan the QR code
Say
above if y'all want to make
came
that
true.
easy bread, bro.
Guys, let my subscribe came true right now. Let the subscribe came true, people, you understand. Hey, will she cheat with a rapper? Let's see.
How you doing? What's going on? I don't really
Steady.
do handshakes. I rather hug, you know what I'm saying? You're a beautiful woman, so you know, it's only right. How was the drive? You thirsty? You want something? Why you acting like I know we just met, but you ain't gotta act like no stranger. You could get comfortable. I mean, you know, ain't nothing wrong with no, it's hot outside, the drive was long. You know what I mean? It is what it is.
Alright, I'll take a water.
Even when you say, you know, you don't want some, I'ma still try to,
You gonna show your hospitality?
I'm gonna show my hospitality. You know, my mama raised me right. But now though, I got this song, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna shoot the video to it. It's my next single. You know, I think it should be, it's called Baller Blocking.
Okay.
I think you should be in it. But you know, normally I don't really talk down here. I be talking upstairs, but check out the pool though. Show you around right quick. Have some? You think so?
I think so, because it has the light in there and everything, and it's blue. It's a nice spot. You should put a part in your music video.
Yeah, for sure. Let's go upstairs.
Let them know it was my idea, too.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna give you all the credit.
Thank you.
Give you all
Guys, they just cut out some of those parts. You understand? It is not me, okay? All right.
credit. After you.
Is this where you're having your interview?
I want to talk with you kind of in private. You know what I'm saying? So you
Not me.
You basically trying to go ahead on and diversify your entertainment portfolio. You ever been in any other videos and shit?
Yeah, I've done some. A few though.
You done a few?
No, a little bit.
Who your favorite rapper?
I have a lot actually.
You got a lot.
Yeah, I got quite a few rappers I can think of.
What's the number one? You from Houston?
Yeah.
You ain't never heard of my shit, Enzo? You never heard of Enzo before?
Maybe.
Enzo McFly?
Yeah.
I'm ringing no bell.
Yeah.
No.
What? I don't know. I guess you probably used to people just.
No, I ain't used to that. I just know you from Houston. You know what I'm saying? So it's like
I've heard about you and everything.
you can sit right, Ash. You can sit right here.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Man, damn, that's how you treat the Don.
What? I'm right here.
Man, you know. But But yeah, though. So you been in other videos
Hey,
before?
if she did ever see the right there, bro, red flag. Hey, she passed that little part right there. You understand? She passed that little part, bro.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. You got any limitations when you in videos? Like,
I like the fact that she on the, like the fact that she got the space between she on her own couch.
I'm saying. I mean, we wouldn't go too far, but I just want to make sure you could be comfortable in front of the camera. You know what I mean? And just, you know, I like everything to be organic and genuine in my videos. So, you know.
Of course. I could definitely do that. I can definitely be, you know, organic and just get real.
Yeah.
My limitations would pretty much just be like, you know, not too much rubbing and definitely no kissing. I definitely don't do that.
Oh yeah, nah. Yeah, we ain't gonna get that deep. You must want to kiss me or something. You might want to, golly, you might want to kiss the, you know what I'm saying? Love. So yeah.
I don't do any bedroom scenes.
Yeah. No, yeah.
Even if we're not touching the bedroom, I still don't.
Yeah, nah.
It's the concept.
Yeah, nah. I like how you got self-respect as a, you know what I'm saying, a lot of self-respect as a woman. That's like a turn on to me, like, you know what I'm saying?
He even noticing it. So other than her like neglecting you outside of you like not being able to provide, I guess, has she shown any of the red flags?
No.
How you like the headquarters though? You like the environment?
I definitely do fuck with it. Is this gonna be like where you're having your video?
Yeah, look in the mirror right quick. Stand, I want to see how we look together right quick.
Oh my God. Boy.
Let me see how we look together for the video.
Okay, for the video, yes.
For the video, yes.
For the video, this is my good
yes.
side. Get on this side right quick.
Okay.
Godly. Let me see. Let's see.
She let him do too much.
Okay. I just.
Damn.
Like, so honestly, for me,
But is she like that? Is it in her nature to be like mean?
like not necessarily mean, but she will be like, don't touch me. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, keep your hands to yourself. So the fact that she even allow another man to touch like that, bro,
Red flag.
that kind of give me just a feeling of like somewhere she get look, see.
Little petite something, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, guys. Okay, what her boyfriend is saying? She's not like that. Normally, she'd be like, "Hey, don't touch me, nigger," or she would get aggressive. But she willing to let other guys touch her. Red flag.
For sure. Got it going on.
Nah, bro. Like, nah.
Yeah,
the
you
fact
know
that-
her, bro. He's with her for 5 years now, so you know her. You know, yeah.
She can't
This shit is crazy, bro.
like didn't say anything for him touching her.
Yeah.
How you feel about that?
I don't like the type of shit because if you my woman, you gotta stay solid.
But is that leaning more towards a fail for you?
I ain't gonna say like a complete fail, but that's like an issue I talked to her about on some like, you know what I mean? Like, come on now, bro. Don't be letting no other man touch on you like that. You feel me? Like, no. You should have been like, nah, you know what I'm saying? We can see how we look together right here. for
What
the
y'all
video.
do?
All that, nah, bro. Hell no. I don't like that.
I guess if you done, I'm gonna probably do the shoot next Friday. So you available?
Next Friday, around what time?
Probably gonna be around like 9 o'clock.
Okay, evening?
Yeah, 9 o'clock.
That should be.
I ain't shooting no video at 9 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Unless you, you could really spend the night and you could kick it here till the video. You know, we could thug for about 5-6 days. You know what I'm saying? Catch a breeze. It's a long time, but you know, we'll have a good time.
Well, you know, I don't know your schedule with you being an artist and everything. You might have to fly out to different cities, come back. So that's why, you know, it could be 9 in the morning or 9 in the evening.
Yeah.
I don't know what your schedule looking like.
Yeah, for sure.
But 9 in the evening sounds good. Like, that should be perfect.
For sure.
I can get all my errands done early and during the day, come back, have time to change, you know, showers.
For sure. You in a relationship or anything? You single? You got something going on? You looking good? Like it really don't matter if you don't have nothing going on, cause you know what I'm saying. I really would love to get to know you. I think,
here you go.
I think me and you could be great friends.
He said friends.
We could definitely be friends. I do actually have something going on that I'm involved in right now. Yes.
For real?
Yeah.
But that's good.
Okay.
What about yourself?
Ain't no wrong with that. Oh nah, your boy free agent. You know what I mean?
He failed. This guy failed right there. He should not say friends. he should just switch it up. What do you guys think? He should just say we can be together, or you have someone. Let she answer, bro. Let she answer. You understand?
You know.
Let's give her.
Come in here. Let's catch a vibe right quick.
Catch a vibe where?
Catch a vibe in here. I want to show you some of my videos and shit. God, Lee, you so tense and uptight.
Like she's not going for anything kind of because she's questioning everything he does. Catch a vibe where?
I know.
The hand placements.
Okay, just take
You
a
know what I'm
seat.
saying?
Lord
Like
have
my girl
mercy.
needs to be like, she need to be
Take a
shooting the
seat.
nigga hands off of her, bro.
Yeah, nah, fuck this YouTube shit though. I'd rather just talk to you. You know what I mean? I wouldn't mind getting to know you. You know what I'm saying? Like, we just fuck around.
Well, thank you. I'm not really sure though, because I am involved with somebody. I don't know how my boyfriend would feel about that.
Yeah. Where the ring at? Where the ring at?
Well, I did say boyfriend. I didn't say husband.
Oh yeah. I mean, I don't know,
But I still like to be respectful, even if we aren't there yet.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
She
I
have
mean,
respect-
that's cool, but like I say, I just want to be friends with you, you know what I'm saying? We could probably go to the Galleria after lunch, you know what I'm saying? Treat you to a few gifts, wine and dine you. I just want to go up with you, you know what I'm saying?
My man goes,
You cute.
thank you.
She denied that. She denied it at the time. She's feeling uncomfortable.
Just
Yeah. It's good.
I don't really roll with niggas I don't know, so that wouldn't operate. I want to get to know you, you know what I'm saying? What you and him got going on, that could be over there. So you show, lunch, dinner.
I'm positive. I'm sure you might find, it's a lot of girls, especially with your status and everything.
Oh, yeah.
They'll be interested in taking it off.
We gonna keep it business then, you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah.
Give me a hug, friend.
I can do that.
You the bro then, man. You the homie.
Okay.
You the homie.
Yeah. That's fine with me.
Might see you go get the cup of ice right quick, man.
Oh, wow.
Other than the hand placement, Keith feeling like Ashley should have been more vocal about her boundaries when it came to Enzo.
See, I don't really like the hand placements, but I can't just say she feels
Bro,
it completely, you know what I'm saying?
the aunt thing is wrong, guys, but she's going good. You understand? But red flag. You know, if you make man a touch up yourself, cute girl. That's what I say, burn up.
I like the hand placement, but I mean, you feel me? Maybe she trying to play the role of, I need this position. I need this, you know what I mean?
My manager will get with you, give you all the information and
Yeah, I was
everything.
going to ask you about that next. Like, I was going to ask about the Instagram and stuff so we can keep up and I can
Follow me, Enzo McFly, ENZO, MC. Let's type it in for you. That's the kid right there.
Okay, perfect.
Well, yeah, you could wait over there in the white room. I'm gonna get my manager. I'm finna go holler at him right quick.
Okay, thank you.
You already know, Ash.
How you feeling, bro?
I feel pretty good. I wasn't expecting her to pass. Thought she was going straight field.
Yeah. What you think, bro? Yeah.
I'm good.
You feel good, like you 100% confident in her?
Yeah, I'm confident because I thought she was gonna fold.
Yeah, nah, she ain't fold, you know what I'm saying? But it's like, with my knowledge and my experience, sometimes like chicks will be, you could tell when they could go, you know what I'm saying? When they might bend, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like she passed, you feel me? But like she ain't passed with flying colors. It's just something to think about, you know what I'm saying?
I mean,
Pass, but
I
she
feel
not
you.
pass fully.
She one of them girls who gonna be polite and be like that. You feel me?
Yeah,
I know what you mean. Like most females just be like on some like keep it business, type shit.
Nah,
But I mean, I feel you.
So you got a decision to make. Do you want to go up there and let her know she's on the test, or do you want to kind of just leave it like it is and?
Nah, we can go there.
You want to go ahead
I'm
and tell
going
her?
there. Hell yeah.
Alright.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you better do your thing, brother.
Yo. Bro, the man, yo.
He had a
Jano.
decision to make, and he chose to go in and let Ashley know that she was on a test. Now, I'll admit, at first it seemed this test could have went another way because of how much she allowed Enzo to touch her. But she held up, and now was just time for Key to confront her.
So, I guess she is pass. Ooh, congratulations. But you feel cute, girl, you understand? Do not let no guy touch. Hey, what are you doing? Guys, subscribe, you understand? Yeah, subscribe. Hey, you should not let her know, by the way. You understand? Just be happy, go home. You understand? And just call it a night and a day. Should not let her know. By confront her, maybe that's his relationship. So, and it's going 5 years. Hey, boy, happy. You got a good soul right there. Jeez.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good.
Good. You look shocked. Come up.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah. I know you probably wondering what the hell going on, huh?
Yeah, you're fast, man.
So actually, the whole entire time you've been on a
Go
local
on, good,
test.
man.
Basically, your boyfriend reached out to me because he was having like doubts about y'all relationships and stuff like that. So he just wanted to see was you truly loyal to him or not. So this is what that is. Enzo was a decoy the whole entire time. He actually is a rapper and stuff like that, but this is always just a setup.
So there's no music video.
No, he's actually an artist for real, but in this case, no, it's no music video.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be honest. Like, you've been acting real funny lately since, you know, the business been tanking. You know what I'm saying? I started the business for us, and it's just like our relationship just being real, like, distant type shit. You've been acting funny. So I was like, man, I had to hit him up and figure out, because I feel like talking to you wasn't really gonna work, because you be like attitude-ish and type shit like that. So I was like, fuck it, let me just hit up Jack and see if he can get some answers for me. And honestly, I mean, I expect you to fail. I ain't gonna count.
So you really went out your way like this? Just
Yeah, I did. Every time I get ready to talk to you, it's like you be either into your phone or you just be like on some don't bother me type shit. Even on your off days, you just like, nah. I mean, you always in your phone get way more attention than me. Then I noticed it's like you turned your ringer off and stuff. You don't never turn your ringer off. You turn your phone off at night type shit. And I ain't crazy.
all right. Can I talk to you in private? So
Yeah, you want to stay up here? You want to go outside?
let's go outside.
All right.
Thank you, by the way.
I have the mic same way. You have the mic on so we can hear.
Just gonna look outside for a little bit and talk.
It's like, hey, bro, no disrespect.
Bro,
I
no,
look, man.
man, I appreciate
you.
you.
You know what I'm saying? You and your relationship, bro. I hope y'all walk through down the aisle, bro.
About to find out,
Hey,
bro. I
she's
appreciate you,
upsetting
bro.
them, man.
Right.
Like, bro, what you do? What you do?
I'm sorry, bro. I ain't trying to upset you, though, you feel me?
I wanted to give Key and Ashley a chance to chop it up about their relationship off camera, so I told my team to go ahead and shut all the cameras off. But in doing so, I ended up turning the cameras back on because they started yelling.
You would bring all these people here, knowing
Because
what
I'm trying to figure, bro, I'm trying to figure out if you cheating on me or not. Bro, I heard you the first time you said
No,
it, though.
you're not understanding me though,
All right,
because
go
you
ahead,
sit here
talk.
saying the same
Talk,
shit.
talk.
So that let me know that you're not
Lower your
understanding
tone,
what
lower your
I'm
tone.
saying.
Lower your tone.
I can't
I'm
lower
keeping
my
it cool.
tone because it's
I'm
cameras
keeping it
in
cool.
my fucking face.
Yeah, the cameras ain't, bro, the camera's way up there.
Okay,
up there.
but
Bro,
okay.
nobody worry about you, bro.
Cameras was upstairs. It's
So,
not like
bro,
they 10
bro,
miles
you passed the
away.
damn test, so why is you mad?
Why are you testing me anyway?
Because, bro, you been acting mad funny,
If
bro.
you want to know somebody cheating on you, ask them.
Bro, I've been trying to ask you, but you been...
fucking camera crew.
Bro, I've been trying to ask you, but your ass keep having the fucking attitude, bro. I can't
Have
talk
you
to you about your
asked me
attitude.
yet?
I've been trying to.
No, okay,
I just...
Bro, red flag. Red flag. You understand? Let's go find another girl, bro. Red flag. Like, no respect. Yo, baby girl, you have to listen to me. You understand? I just need a girl with understanding. Me depend. You depend. Two of us talking same time, bro, is not gonna work. Hear what I'm saying? You pass and this is, you understand, you're moving certain type of way and it's wrong and this. Hey, yeah. Okay, you understand. Okay, you do this test and that's this test and yes, the test. Let's go home. Yes. Okay. Camera crew, later in a charge. You see me? I say, everyone, I'm out. Talking, not going to work, female. You feel now. I know you feel. You see me? I say, people subscribe. She feel now.
But you not. You good, right? You just passed it. What's the problem?
No, because you doing too much and don't even know what the fuck going on.
So what's going
That's the
on?
problem.
So what's going
You worry
on?
about somebody
What's
making
going
you
on?
look stupid so fucking bad, don't even know there's a nigga in the car right now.
What?
Fuck.
Say it again?
Damn.
You said there's a nigga in the car?
That's for me to know and for you to not find out. Excuse me.
She says a nigga name.
What?
Worry about the wrong shit.
Sorry.
You see? Bro. You see? Hey, luckily I listen to all of my fans, bro. Say, yo, Silk, do a react channel. You see, bro? Bro, you see? Trust me, she failed, bro. She failed. Maybe that rapper guy is not her guy. He's not the type. He's not her type or something. He's moving too flashy. He's moving too rappy. You understand? He's moving too rappy. Yeah.
Camera crew out here like,
Bro, that like, it's a nigga in the car.
A nigga in the car, bro.
A nigga in the car.
Yeah, I think she's somebody in the car.
why would you hold on to me? You
Bro,
ain't did the most.
bro, you my woman, bro.
Which car, bro?
Bro, I'm just trying to get her attention, bro. She good, bro. That is my woman. I'm just somebody in the
You
car.
doing the most.
Bro, because, bro, you tripping, bro.
Hold on to me. Stop doing that shit.
Say, bro, keep it cool, gang. It ain't got to do with you, fam. Come here. Say, I'm too player for that shit, bro.
Don't.
Hey, loyalty with her, not you, bro. It got to do with you, fam. Bro, like I said, bro. Hey, man to man, bro, it got nothing to do with it.
Jack, what are y'all doing?
They didn't start making stuff when they made drugs, bro. Bro, I'm not worried about that shit. Bro, get my shorty, bro. Bro, go in the house. Bro, you got me fucked up, bro. Bro, get off me, bro. Hey, chill out. What's the deal with you, gang? Now get the fuck out of me, bro. Get the fuck out of me.
Bro, this girl is disrespectful, bro. Bro, this girl turned me half, bro. Not like I was on. But this girl, yo, female, you pass disrespect. You and the guy come from 5 years and you pass the test. A joking thing to you, hey, your nigga got a strap. Up to the female, yeah. You might have to go show me right this eye spot. I look at ground god. Guys, you know what's ground god? Stone on the ground. You understand? Hey, no violence. Jesus Christ, no. Jeez. I swear she passing up. The female, yeah, God. She worse than every female on my channel that fail. She overfeel. She overfeel, bro.
Chill out, bro.
You're cheating and your guy have a strap. We call gun strap, you understand? Your guy got a gun. Bro.
Don't shut my crib to the house I built. That's me. The shoes on your feet, that's me. Everything you got on is me, gang.
House, bro, you tripping.
You sad, bro. You sad. You sad, bro. You sad,
bro.
You sad, bro. You trifling.
Hey, bro, you got it.
Bro, dead ass, bro. You got me fucked up, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I started to tell Jack, hey, man, let him go out there because at this point, he putting all of us in danger because he not listening, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna catch you.
Keep going, bro.
I'm gonna catch you, bro.
Hey, Ricardo, don't stop filming.
Man, say, bro. Hey, nah, bro. Bring my female, bro. You got me fucked up, bro. I gotta talk to her, bro.
Hey, bro, you shut up.
Really, bro, man.
About that shit, bro. Bro, that's my story, bro. Bro,
listen.
if they don't want it up to you, up to, bro. I ain't never no hoe, bro.
Listen,
Yo, cool, bro.
All you gotta
Cool.
say, bro.
What was it cool? I'm gonna pop that shit, bro.
That's it,
Don't worry about that shit, bro.
Not no pussy, bro.
When it's about respect, bro. Fuck the disrespect, bro. I'm a man before anything, bro. I'm a man before anything, bro.
Fam, it ain't.
I'm a man before anything.
They're not even leaving, guys.
bro.
Bro, I ain't tripping on that shit, bro. That shit don't go. That shit don't bother me, gang.
This how niggas crash, bro. Niggas don't think.
But he want
I'll pull out a hole.
Like, he wanted to up there, he up that bitch, bro.
Come on, bro, you doing too much.
He trying to be Captain Save and shit, bro. That shit lame as hell, bro.
Jack, I ain't coming for all this, bro.
Bro, dead the road.
You tripping, bro.
Bro, I ain't tripping, gang.
You got a whole tool, bro. They still up? They still here?
Bro,
Yeah, they're not leaving.
bro.
Shit, bro. You tripping, bro. You doing too much, man.
Bro, that's my story, bro. Now, all that shit I did for her, bro, you got me
Bro,
fucked
that's
up, bro.
not yours
That's investments,
anymore,
gang.
bro. Let
That's
you
how that
leave,
shit
bro.
go,
That's
fam. Hey, bro, let me let you know something, bro. Don't nothing last forever, fam. You gotta get that through your head. You
It's
can't
the
look at it
respect,
like that,
gang.
bro.
Bro, I ain't
Bro, we swear she passed. Bro, this female. Yo, trust me.
bro. I got a whole house built, gang.
You finna go out there and die?
Bro, ain't
Yeah,
nobody
you
like
better
that.
go
He
out
went
there
up that
and
hoe,
die,
he
bro.
went up that hoe, bro.
Bro, he put a tool on that.
He pulled that nigga. That shit for sure, gang. I don't know where you from, but where I'm from, that shit don't bother me, bro.
Well, where I'm
That
from,
shit ain't bother me,
everybody
bro.
going back home, bro. My team
Bro.
going back home at the end of the day.
I'm here, ain't I? I'm right here.
Bro, it don't matter. You
Bro,
bro, you
nigga,
doing too much now,
again, bro. Hey,
Bro,
just say that,
you fool. Bro, you do not have a strap. You understand? You do not have a shoes. You understand? The guy pulled out a shoes. You understand? And you don't have any shoes. Are you gonna confront a guy with a shoes? Bro, run for your life, bro. Just cut. You're not gonna die over no stupid female. Not even over a female at all. You understand? Yo, bro, I one life, yeah, bro. One life. You die, come off the earth, and she's right here with another man. No, no, say go. No Titanic business, bro. Leave that female alone. When you go home, pack your things, pack your things, bro, and just leave, bro. Just leave.
Bro, tell her get that shit out of my house, bro. I'm not worried about none of that, bro. I'm not worried about none of that shit.
You gotta stay focused, though.
I ain't worried about none of that
Stay
shit.
focused,
Pause, bro. Pause. Pause,
Like,
bro.
bro, putting out.
Pause, bro. Stop, bro.
Hey, that nigga tripping.
Bro,
Good.
bro, look, man.
Calm down, bro. Calm down.
Bro, I'm ready to go, gang. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go, fool.
Hey,
go.
these guys
Can I leave?
protecting this guy.
bro.
Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. I appreciate you. I'm out this bro. Take this shit too, bro. Take this over there shit, bro. Appreciate you, Jay.
Why you tripping though?
Appreciate you, though, bro. Now, bro. I gotta get to my crib, bro. I'm about to let me go to my crib.
Listen, bro. All right, listen, bro. Don't leave here and do some dumbass shit for it. At the end of the day, listen, bro. Listen. You told me you have kids and all that shit, fam.
Jack, bro, gonna do it. If he wanna walk out that door, that's him.
Yeah,
I was
you
really
don't
trying
wanna
to
walk
get
out the
understand the
door, bro.
severity
I
of the situation.
understand. Yo, this thing is hurt, bro. This thing is hurt, bro. Hurt. But the end of the day, bro, this guy is not a kid. You've been through a lot. Just know, bro, just let the girl go, bro. You've been through a lot. You already know what's up, bro. As one gone, the next one born. That's the thing, bro. There's more female than a male. You understand? Guys, subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Big up all of my subscribers. You understand? All of the loyal subscribers, matter of fact. Big up on yourself.
Gonna leave the house and do something stupid that he might regret later on. You can do whatever you want to do at the end of the day, but when you leave from here, bro, don't go do no dumbass shit behind no female, fam. It ain't even worth it. Listen, bro, he put out a whole. You ain't gotta find out what he was gonna do with it, bro.
I ain't worried about that, nigga. I ain't worried about you going to my crib. Make sure my shit good.
Make sure you level-headed when you leave here, bro. I'm trying to do is help you.
Bro, I appreciate it. I'm good, bro.
Go ahead,
Good,
go ahead, bro.
Appreciate y'all.
Nah, bro, but
Appreciate
stay
y'all.
focused. Don't crash out behind no. Shit ain't live, bro.
Like you said, I got kids.
Nigga pulling out a tool, you don't understand the seriousness of that shit, bro.
Yeah, what that?
Bro, go and get him out of here, man. What's up with Buddy Jack? I ain't gonna lie, I ain't coming here for that.
Being that the house is so big, y'all, we was not able to see in real time what car she pulled up in. We didn't even know till we actually played the footage back to see that she pulled up in somebody else's car. And the whole entire time, the car was still running and we didn't even know it. So the whole entire time, we think she passing, but she really trying to figure out how she gonna tell Key it's another nigga outside.
Which makes perfect sense as to why she asked to turn the cameras off and wanted to talk.
And, what's her wicked face to favor one snake? She look like one snake. What's up, devil that, bro? You really talk to that for 5 years? Bro, you're not seeing good, bro. Her face zoom up like a camera. Too zoom in, too much zoom on your lip. You understand? John no star.
Key on the side. But this loyalty test definitely unfolded crazy. A lot of things happened.
Hey, she's looking out for his life also because she tell the guy, other guy is in the car.
Our control. But at the end of the day, everyone left safe and everybody got home and no one was harmed.
Now, Key, if you watching this video, bro, and somebody approach you with a tool, please go the other way. It's not by being macho man, bro. It's by being smart.
Bro, you watching this video, bro, and a guy take out a gun, bro. Cut, go home. You don't have any, cut, go home, bro. Go to your home. If not, you will go to another home. Yes.
Figure out that the car was...
The whole entire time the car running. Should have went out there.
Yeah, Gabe. What you mean? If it was 3-4 niggas out there, she would have handled our business. Nah. What? Time is cool ass.
Nah, we gotta start. We gotta start like following our first mind.
And then you ain't, bro. People pull up.
Yeah, they're
cars
trying to
all
move
the time.
more
I do it all the
professional,
time,
bro, because
you do this shit all the time.
I have a car running out there, bro.
But she couldn't have known that she wasn't gonna be in here that long.
That long, is what I'm saying. And then it's hot as fuck outside. She turned the car off, nigga. She trying to keep her shit cool. Yeah, makeup on.
This time we just checked the frame.
That shit was crazy, bro. But
Cardi, you swimming the whole time?
Until next time, bro.
Until next time, big up on yourself, you understand? Yes, Jack, I catch them. Catch the cheaters them. If you're not a cheater or you is a cheater, still subscribe to my channel, Silk Reacts. Okay, and do subscribe to my Instagram. Okay, that is Silcodex. Okay, and okay. But this female is not okay. You understand? And also the male is not okay. So if you're okay, okay. Subscribe. You understand? Big up all of my subscribers. And do subscribe to these other channels as well. One Code Music. You understand? Jeez, I'm at 2.9k. Hey, I'm going good over there. You understand? Yes, guys, big up on yourself. Soon reach 1 million now and 6 million. Fly up. Big up on yourself again. Jesus Christ. Me think she passing them and she feel the other female I got yo, John knows that me think she pass and she feels that. The other female yeah, my heart away a jerk. Jesus Christ, Father God no the female I tell you. Yo guys, I'm out, yo. If female just